All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk briefly about the View menu keyboard shortcuts. So you can see here, if I go to View, we can look at proof colors, gamut warning, so Control Y, Shift Control Y for gamut warning. Zoom in, I'll show you that one. Zoom out, fit on screen, 100%. Extras, snap. So this one's already on, so if you hit Shift Control, and then this little thing right next to the Enter key, and etc. Ruler is Control R. So the ones we're going to focus on are these four right here. So we're going to talk about zoom in, so Control plus, zoom out, Control minus, fit on screen, Control 0, and then 100% is Control and 1. Okay? So that is, in a nutshell, the View menu keyboard shortcuts. There's not a lot in this menu, which is okay. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lecture.